A very good morning, class 9. From today we will start mensuration. Okay, so this is chapter 16. Okay, perimeter and area of plane figures. So here in this chapter you will learn how to find the perimeter and area of triangle. Okay, only triangle is there in syllabus now. So you will learn how to find the area of triangle and perimeter of triangle. So in triangle we have three formula, okay, to find its area. Number one, if you consider this type of triangle, okay, whose height is given and base is given. In this case, area of a triangle will be half into base into height. This is the formula of area of a triangle when height and base are given in question. Now number two is, suppose a triangle is given whose three sides are given. Okay, so how to find the area when the three sides are given? In this case what we will do is, first is its formula is square root of s minus a, s minus b, s minus c. Now a, b and c are three sides. Now what is s? S is semi-perimeter. So semi-perimeter means length of the boundary. Here perimeter is a plus b plus c. Semi means divided by 2. So this is the formula to find semi-perimeter s. And area, this formula is called Heron's formula. So this is second formula. Now next is question number 3, equilateral triangle. Okay, equilateral triangle means whose all sides are equal. This is also called equiangular also. Equiangular means whose all angles are equal. So in equilateral triangle all sides are equal and all angles are equal. So in this case, okay, if equilateral triangle is given in question, formula is area is equal to root 3 by 4 into side square. So these are the three formula to find the area of a triangle. Now next is perimeter of a triangle. So to find the perimeter of a triangle, you just have to add all its three sides, okay, to get the perimeter of triangle. Okay, now we'll start exercise 16a. Question number 1. An isosceles right triangle has area 168 centimeters square. If the altitude of the triangle is 24 centimeter, what is the length of its hypotenuse? So isosceles means whose two sides are equal, and right triangle means, okay, when you draw a line, okay, this will be here 90. Okay, right triangle. Here also it will be 90 degree, okay, right angle isosceles triangle whose area is given 168. When you find its area, it is 168, and altitude means height is 24 centimeter. You have to find the length of its hypotenuse. You have to find its hypotenuse. This one you have to find, okay. So here this one is given, no, height is given. So we will use that formula, half into base into height. So in this triangle, this is height, so BC is base. So area of a triangle ABC is 168 centimeters square. Formula is half into base into height is equal to 168. So base is BC, height is AD, 168. Then put the value of AD, which is 24. Then cancel this, 2 1s are 2, 2 12s are. So BC is 168 by 12. So 12 14s are 168. So this is 14. Okay, this is 14. This is your right angle triangle. This is 14. So this part will be only 7 centimeter. This is also 7 centimeter. So to find the hypotenuse, you have to consider any one triangles. Okay, so here I am considering this triangle ADC. So in triangle ADC, we will use Pythagoras theorem. Okay, hypotenuse square is equal to perpendicular square plus base square. So hypotenuse is AC, base is CD, and perpendicular is AD. So you just put the value of perpendicular, hypotenuse and base, then AC square you will get root 625. So AC is square root of 625, which is 25 centimeter. So we got this is 25 centimeter. So hypotenuse is 25 centimeter. Now next is question number 2. Find the perimeter of an equiangular triangle whose area is 25 root 3 meters square. So in this question, you have to find the perimeter of an equiangular means equilateral triangle whose area is given. So to find the perimeter, we should know what is its size, what is the length of its side. So area of an equilateral triangle is 25 root 3 meter square according to question. Then its formula is root 3 by 4 into side square, which is 25 root 3 meter square. So this will become reciprocal here. Cancel this root 3, 25 into 4, 100. So side is square root of 100, which is actually plus minus 10. But since it is the length of side, so we cannot take negative. We have to consider only positive. So 10 meter. Next is we have to find perimeter. So perimeter of an equilateral triangle is, in triangle we have 3 sides. Here all sides are equal. So 3 into side. 3 into 10, 30 meter. Now next question is question number 3. Using Heron's formula, find the area of a triangular field whose sides are 30 meter, 40 meter and 50 meter. Also find the length of altitude drawn on the largest side. First, you have to find the area of the triangular field whose sides are 30, 40 and 50. First, we will find its area, okay. So, I wrote here 30, 40, 50, okay, A, B, C. Find semi-perimeter, A plus B plus C by 2. Put its values, 120 by 2, 60 meters. So, we got the value of X 60. So we will use formula, Heron's formula, area of a triangle, square root of S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. Now just put the value of S, A, B and C. Okay. After that you will get this one. So we will multiply 6 3s are 18, 18 1s are 18, 18 2s are 36. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 zeros. So square root of 36 is 620. 1 pair, so 1 0. So 1 0. So 600 square meter. So we got the area of a triangle 600 square meter. Now next question is you have to find the length of altitude drawn on the largest side. So we have considered this 50 meter, okay, largest side. So you have to draw one altitude here. Suppose this is D, okay, you have to find the altitude, length of this altitude, okay, when you draw on this largest side. So what we will do is to find this altitude, okay, we will consider that formula, half into base into height, whose base is 50 and height is unknown, okay, AD, and its area will remain same. Area is 600 square meter, so half into base into height 600. So half into BC into AD is 600. We have to find the value of AD. So half into 50 into AD is equal to 600. Cancel this, 2 1s are 2, 2 25s. So AD is 600 by 25, which is 24. So height is 24 meter. Okay, now question number 5. The perimeter of a triangle is 48 meter and its sides are in the ratio 13 is to 12 is to 5. Find the area of the triangle. So in this question, okay, the perimeter is given and the sides are in the ratio 13 is to 12 is to 5. So you have to find the area of the triangle. So when it is given in ratio, we will take 13x, 12x, 5x. So perimeter is given 48 meters. So perimeter means sum of all sides 48. So this is 30x is equal to 48. So x is 48 by 30, which is 8 by 5. So we have to find the value here. Okay. So first side A is 13 into x, 8 by 5, which is 104 by 5. So B is 12 into 8 by 5, 96 by 5, and C is 5 into 8 by 5, 8 meter. Next is to find the area of a triangle. We have to use this formula because 3 sides are given. So when you use this formula here, you take LCM, okay, LCM, then you will get this line. After that, you multiply. See, we have 224, no? So pair, it will come out into 16 also we have pair. Then 5 also we have pair. So this is 384 by 5, which is 76.8 square meter.